Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know you noticed it. I got new clothes on. Anyways, let's go to today's class. We'll be making crab cake. Beautiful, delicious dish. I know everybody loves crab cakes, you know. I love me some crab cakes. I don't know about you. So let me go ahead and introduce you to today's ingredients. Here we have the crab meat. I have breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, hot sauce, raw egg, parsley, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, mustard powder, and lemon. Let's get cooking. Our next step is gonna be preparing the crab meat. So we're gonna start by adding all the ingredients together. Here I have mayo, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, whole egg, mustard powder, lemon juice. Let's whisk this together. Let's introduce our crab meat. Parsley, salt, black pepper, and breadcrumbs. Mix together. I got my molding tool, crab cake right in there. I like to give it a little, tap down with a spoon to get it tight, more firm. This will be the final part of this video, so I'm gonna start by adding some olive oil into my pan. Give it a couple minutes to get really hot. My pan is hot. Time for me to drop the crab cake. After about 3 minutes on first side, I'll just flip it over to the other side. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes for the other side, so my crab cake is ready. Time for me to plate. It's time for us to plate our crab cake. We'll put all the tartar on the table. Crab cake, let's drop that right here. You can click the video above to see how I made the tartar sauce. Thank you so much.